When frying eggplant, many friends put oil directly first. In fact, it's all wrong. I will teach you a little trick today. Eggplant does not absorb oil and does not turn black. First, prepare 2 eggplants. Pinch the harder eggplant with your hands. This kind of eggplant is fresher and not old. We first cut the head and tail of the eggplant. Then cut the eggplant in the middle. Cut the eggplant into small pieces. After all are cut, then prepare a basin of water. Put the eggplant cubes in the water. Add a little white vinegar. Put the eggplant in the water and soak it. Prevent eggplant from oxidizing and turning black. Then put a plate on it and press it. Prepare 30 cents of pork belly. Slice. Then chop into minced meat. After chopping, put it in a bowl and set aside. Prepare a ginger. Pat it and cut it into minced ginger. Then prepare a few more garlic. Also pat it and cut it into minced garlic. Prepare a few millet spicy. Cut the millet spicy into circles. After cutting, put it all in a bowl for later use. Add a pinch of salt. Add half a spoonful of sugar. Add 2 more spoonfuls of light soy sauce. A spoonful of balsamic vinegar. Then add water. Stir well and put it aside for later use. The eggplant is already soaked. Fishing out the eggplant. Put the eggplant into the large basin. Add an appropriate amount of salt to the eggplant. Then grab it and mix it well. Grasp well and marinate for 5 minutes. Remove the moisture from the eggplant. Okay, the eggplant is already marinated. Take a look and kill a lot of moisture. Then squeeze the water out of the eggplant. Add an appropriate amount of cornstarch to the eggplant squeezed out of water. Wrap the eggplant in a layer of cornstarch. This way, it is smoother without absorbing oil when frying eggplant. Let the eggplant be evenly coated with a layer of cornstarch. Heat the pot, no need to refuel. Put the eggplant in the pan and stir fry it. Fry the eggplant until the surface is slightly yellow. The eggplant made in this way is more tasty and delicious. Just fry the eggplant until it's soft like this. And then we put it away. Heat the oil in a pot, then add the minced meat. Fry the minced meat until fragrant. Fry the minced meat until it changes color, then add the eggplant. Then stir fry evenly over high heat. Then pour in the freshly prepared sauce. Then fry the eggplant to taste. Fried and served delicious. Wow, the eggplant smells so good. Eggplant is delicious and not greasy after dinner. It is also very face-saving to entertain guests. Okay, if you like it, try it at home. See you in the next video.